Hello YouTube. This interesting video I got for you here. This is February 19th, 2014 at approximately 10:06 Eastern Standard Time. We got storms coming through here. Had a rough winter, had a lot of snow and ice, and that's been up in the 40s and the 50s and going to make it up to 60 tomorrow, but there's some storms coming, and I just want you to listen to the storms coming. This is my DX394. Had 150-foot long wire antenna.
You had not built, and you have lived in them. You are eating the vineyards and olive groves, which you did not plant.
Anyway, that's the sound of lightning and everything coming for in the morning. It's supposed to start about 6 o'clock in the morning, but you can hear it hundreds of miles away already, an atmospheric disturbance. Sound of lightning in Hamilton, Ohio.